So you have an assignment and have thought about a topic. Let's say you selected climate change for your topic. Your professor has told you that you need to use scholarly resources. Where do you find these? Use a database when you need to find scholarly articles. To find the databases, go to the Saddleback College website and select Library at the top of the screen. From the library website, select the Article Databases tab on the right side of the screen. Now you will see we have databases organized into three groups: general databases, databases A to Z, and databases by subject. The general databases will cover most topics and are a great place to start when researching. If you need topic ideas, CQ Researcher and Opposing Viewpoints are great places to go. Databases by subject is a great option for when you need something really specific to your class, such as nursing or environmental science. General databases like Academic Search Complete and ProQuest will also be helpful when you need to find popular sources like magazines and newspaper articles. Since our broad topic is climate change, we will select general databases. ProQuest is a great general database to use for a subject like the one we have selected. It contains articles on a wide variety of academic topics and includes both scholarly and popular sources. One thing to note, if you are accessing this database from off campus, a new page will appear asking for your login information. To log in, you will need to use your student login information. This is the same information you would use to log in to an online class or to access your email.